Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Moore County and central North Carolina, western Harnett County and central North Carolina, Lee County and central North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Carthage, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Lillington, Carthage, Whispering Pines, Broadway, Vass, Cameron, Lemon Springs, Gum Springs, and Raven Rock State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.